Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I'm Victoryforu and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the Bushrod challenge, a new dance that I've come up with for Bushrod's new song, Hide and Seek. Let's get right into it.
Because I'm looking for you, but are you looking for me? I don't wanna play hide and seek all afternoon. Because I'm looking for you, but are you looking for me? Yeah, I need your shining light to lift my mood. Because I'm looking for you, but are you looking for me? I don't wanna play hide and seek all afternoon. Because I'm looking for you, but are you looking for me? Yeah, I need your shining light to lift my mood.
This is a very simple dance routine to do. You simply are just moving from side to side and it's really fun to do. So you start on your right side, just like this. So it's right, two, left, two, right, left, right, two. Then from there, you get your hands, cover your face and cover away. And then you move to the left with the back of your body, going 1, 2, 3 and down, and right, two, left, two, right, left, right, two, curl, up, down, cross over, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a very simple routine, just like this.
Because I'm looking for you, but are you looking for me? I don't wanna play hide and seek all afternoon. Because I'm looking for you, but are you looking for me? Yeah, I need your shining light to lift my mood. Because I'm looking for you.
So just like that, it is so simple to do. So make sure you get involved in the Bushrod challenge. Make sure you tag both myself and Bushrod in it so we can see it and share it all around the world. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Victoryforu. Hope that you'll be victorious every day. God bless, bye-bye, and I'll see you very soon.
But are you looking for me? I don't wanna play hide and seek all afternoon.